Get him, buddy. Just go get him. You gonna go get him? Lumpy, do you wanna go on vacation? Do you, come here, do you want to, what do you want to do, bud? Do you want to take a nap? Do you want, what do you want, bud? Lumpy, Lumpy, do you want some? Do you want some? You want your breakfast? Do you want your breakfast? Are you ready for breakfast? What do you think about it? Lumpy, do you want some breakfast? Are you hungry? You want to get your belly on? What do you think? You want to get your belly on? Okay.